Hello and welcome, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. I have some exciting news to share with you today. We've just released our latest blog post, How to Add or Claim Your HVAC or Appliance Repair Merchant Circle Business Listing, packed with essential insights to supercharge your online presence. We'll dive deep into topics like optimizing your business listings, leveraging the power of social media, and mastering the art of online marketing. Plus, we'll provide valuable insights and tips that can set you apart in the competitive HVAC and appliance repair industry. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this journey of business growth and success. Let's get started. Here's a sneak peek of what you'll discover. 1. Guide to creating or verifying your HVAC and appliance repair business listing on Merchant Circle. Learn the step-by-step process to establish or validate your business presence on Merchant Circle, a vital platform to enhance local visibility. 2. How to set up a new Merchant Circle business listing. Dive into the specifics of creating a fresh Merchant Circle business listing to showcase your HVAC or appliance repair services effectively. 3. How to claim an existing Merchant Circle business listing. Uncover the secrets to asserting control over your existing listing, ensuring accuracy and credibility. 4. Optimizing your HVAC and appliance repair business listing on Merchant Circle. Explore strategies to fine-tune your listing for maximum impact, from accurate business details to engaging descriptions and visuals. 5. Conclusion. Discover the power of Merchant Circle in strengthening your online presence and learn about additional opportunities to boost your business's success. But that's not all. In the blog post's call to action, you'll also find the chance to delve deeper into related business listings topics, our expert digital marketing services to streamline your success on Merchant Circle, a complimentary digital marketing review session for your business, ready to take your HVAC or appliance repair business to new heights. Find the link in the description to read the full article and unlock the potential of Merchant Circle for your business. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We appreciate your time and commitment to growing your HVAC and appliance repair business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow business owners. For more valuable insights and tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Your success is our priority, and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you once again for being part of our community. Until next time, keep thriving, keep growing, and keep serving your valued customers. We'll see you in the next video.